Control, Alt, Delete. Many of us know to push those 3 buttons when our computers decide to go haywire. There's no wonder in this big, bad technological world that there are experts out there who come to the rescue when your computer gets a virus or decides to crash. These super cool techno nerds are in the field of information technology. Now, IT, or information technology, is all about processed data or information. An IT specialist is a person who works with computers and other technologies in corporate settings or for domestic use in homes. Even though typically an IT specialist would handle any issues and problems relating to technology, it is most common for them to work within the field of computers. Now, because computers have become so accessible, almost every workplace, school, public institution and private home has one. Naturally, there is a great number of potential problems that a first-time computer user can encounter, from how to set up a network to how to troubleshoot software that is not working properly. As such, an IT specialist is much in demand within the computer industry in South Africa. Now, let's enter the world of the IT guy.
The information communication technology (EICT) industry is still in a positive growth phase and looks set to grow even more in the foreseeable future. The FIFA World Cup Eskom infrastructure upgrade, as well as the development and growth of e-wireless technologies and broadband, have given rise to the industry's upward curve.
You have to do the basics first before you probably want to make a decision on where you'd like to take it from there. So the fundamental courses, I would say, is an A+ and an N+ course. A+ meaning that you'll do more the hardware configuration and a bit of software, and the N+ is your networking. After achieving those courses, I think you'll know a bit better what you want to do.
Lama tumgo the senju wala confidence ho present that line there o dire ntse ba wa khona like motho ona ga o botsa no ba dirang twi o tse gore o tlo motsa like ditilo ka mo ga tsona di dirang, and then o keep power o be focused like ntse o dira o ska ho jela the following day o moki and the next day o mona ba bona o be consistent mo mereko mo dira khona go build like o tse gore in 5 years ka so batho ba ntse ba tlile mo gona ba matlono why concentrate our IT because very narrow why say digital ka bona ka okay. It's good to get into Geratang. I like to get into Gixaratin because in Yaga energy, two will get Yaga energy. So, what do you do? Yes, energy to play alone. Every time I'm yes, maybe it was more internet cafe. But internet cafe is not business like very Yaga. Internet cafe. So, until we like a very like our IT, the company of development, software development, even technical support, fixing computers. But high level, modding topo, or tomorrow the website, Hojam I know lodge. Lama tumo website at the computer. So so how do you train people? If ever or certain facility, but over train the negative so they can make the show okay, like creative. The creative guys is living the ICDL.
Yabona who like the flesh amole, who na le on it saying body boots hona mo is yabu like high. Where's a line hona mokomra? I think in more facilities, just client to more fun like and then telegraphy between the same with the feature like build the and then like Rakana training, trainer ICDL, Erana, Inaga server, dedicated server. Okay. So in either an ability, concentrate or an ID, all of the test for what I want to ICDL exams.
Unfortunately, it's very difficult nowadays to get bank finance. Ever since the Credit Act came into play, banks aren't as easygoing when it comes to giving finance to new businesses. You really have to prove your case. There are alternatives. You can look at venture capitalists if you like. Venture capitalists are companies or individuals that basically invest in new businesses. They see the potential opportunity in a business and they'll put up the capital to fund that business. The pitfalls of that, unfortunately, is they often want a portion of your company in terms of a shareholding in your company, so you would be giving up that in order to get a venture capitalist on board.
An IT professional has the potential to earn between 180,000 rands and 600,000 rands per annum or year. On average, that is between 15,000 rands and 50,000 rands per month, depending on the IT field that they work in. Manje, the salary will vary according to whether you are employed or self-employed, how much experience you have, and which field of IT that you have a speciality in. As with any other career field, the salary gets significantly higher as you advance higher in ranking. Kodwa-ke akhona amanye amathuba that an IT specialist can get into. They may also work for an independent consulting company, a customer support division of a computer or technology company, a private computer repair shop, or in any number of other settings where a person can come for help with computer maintenance or repair. Okwamanje, let's take a look at what the life of an IT specialist is like.
So, already the funding company never batlang to say
the commitment, the level of commitment. So re ba o le tseka mka o di dirang ka tsona ba re profit ke ba kae ke eng gona dira tšhelete ntšhi ka go tša di-client ka nako e kang so ba kgona go lebela ba thoma go assessa ntho e ka mokgo ba le dirang ka gona gore ba feletse ba go fundile mara go sa tsebe gore nyakang go jele gore go sa tsebe gore nyaka end up ba sa funde o ntse o na le idea right but tabe gore o se tsebe gore o nyakang mo go bone assistant ya o nyaka mo kae.
But you know, being in business, you had a business challenge before Osimula company to get it to where it is today. And I'm sure you still have challenges that you are facing right now, things that you are not happy with that you'd like to sort out in your business. What are some of the things?
Challenges for companies now. Competition.
Okay.
Competition or somehow we want to get unfair competition because compete companies they are well established. International companies, other national companies. So compete with companies for which a government project is very impossible. It's hard or impossible to get the project from those guys. Okay, level Apollo One is full of like building new buildings just erupted for the World Cup or whatever. Maroya level of the companies support the infrastructure, IT infrastructure base. The companies leave from the province.
Competition is always healthy. You know, if you're a big player and you've got a big client, sure, you'll service that client first. But if you're a big player and you've got a little client, that little client's not going to get service because they're not the most important thing to that big client. And you can portray this to your clients when you try to convince them to come over to you rather than the big clients. Your company's small. There's nothing wrong with that. Bring them over into your business because you will take care of them. Because you don't have 50 other companies and big corporates to deal with right now.
So, already the funding company never batlang to say
the commitment, the level of commitment. So re ba o le tseka mka o di dirang ka tsona ba re profit ke ba kae ke eng gona dira tšhelete ntšhi ka go tša di-client ka nako e kang so ba kgona go lebela ba thoma go assessa ntho e ka mokgo ba le dirang ka gona gore ba feletse ba go fundile mara go sa tsebe gore nyakang go jele gore go sa tsebe gore nyaka end up ba sa funde o ntse o na le idea right but tabe gore o se tsebe gore o nyakang mo go bone assistant ya o nyaka mo kae. Okay, our economy in Limpopo province it's in mo godimo gang mining, agriculture and tourism. So like in order for a company, a whole level company, so you make sure to provide a solution to in such industries. So in order for you to provide support in your industry, also you will the expert. You don't provide the
So how are you planning or let's say to teach the mining industry? I was leading to the yellow. Do you guys also do SEP more high, or you planning on joining up Lebatwabang? Will help you guys equip yourself with SEP?
At the moment, the company are not provide SEP. But the provider. So problem is SEP is expensive. So the first thing which is company that offer already, even a trainer.
Oh, so like a mentorship from the big company.
Yes, transfer skill more. Then 5 years, obviously, rooted more
I would say first and foremost, if it is where he decides to go in the future, is to probably do a SAP course. I would say that's important. The other thing that I'd also look at is going to SAP directly. Once you've built up a bit of a business and you've got a number of clients, going to them and actually saying, I've got a number of clients that possibly would benefit from using your product. I'd like to become a reseller for you guys. Normally what they might do, if they see the benefit or the opportunity there, they'll put you on their courses and they'll see it and they'll want to try and grow their business. And from growing their business will inevitably obviously grow his business as well.
Anyone who would like to get into IT as a career must be in the science stream in high school. Subjects like mathematics, physical sciences and English are mandatory, while computer science makes you much more attractive to an institution of higher learning. Manjege, after matric, the IT wannabe can study information technology at numerous technicons and universities across South Africa. Some include the University of Johannesburg, Wits University, the University of Cape Town, Durban University of Technology, and UNISA, amongst others. Manjege, if you have a passion for computers and computer-related technology, then a career in IT would suit your personality. Almost every major company has an IT department that is so vital to the company's normal functioning from day to day. So IT employees must be team players, they must be conscious of time, they must have intense focus and must be driven and motivated. One of the best things about working in IT is the ever-changing work environment, as technology is changing all the time. The work environment depends on which form of IT one works for, but IT specialists can be expected to work long hours and, depending on the IT specialist, be required to travel. It also consists widely of customer relations interactions, so one must always be ready to help with a smile. Manje, in a world with technology changing on a daily basis, the IT specialist is always kept on their toes. Who knows what the future will bring? But in IT, you will be closer to the future than most of us are.